You know how you see all this vibe coding, you're going back and forth with AI, it's spitting out code. So now imagine that, but something you can actually understand. That's what you get with Zapier Canvas as you build out systems and automate things for your business. You can write it out, you can refine it, you can see what it's gonna look like, the forms, the tables, the Zaps. You can literally sit back, take a sip, and at the end of the day, you've got a new system that's built and automated so you can do so much more in your business. And it's a total blast to build. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I'll go into Canvas and type out the system I want. I want an expense report system where it automatically categorizes expense reports using AI in a list of categories. I want to add expenses via a form. We'll click generate and we'll see Canvas create the plan for us. Using interfaces, tables, we can swap out different apps if we want to change this to another form app. Right now, let's remove that. Everything else looks good. Let's start building this. Right away, we're going to see an AI chat in the sidebar telling us what the plan is, the context around building this, and once it's drafted, it'll say complete. We want to look at the form, we just click view asset. We can see all the form fields that are here. Maybe we want to have more fields there. All we do is go back into the chat and say so. Add a form field to upload an image. Remove the amount field since we'll have the AI detect the amount from the uploaded image. We send that into the chat and it will modify this in real time before you even build it. We can take another look here by viewing the asset. We can see the image, perfect date description. This looks great. Now we're gonna actually build it out. There we go. It built everything out for us. And we can see here, there's even a tour that guides us through what this system does. Now you have the building blocks. You can go through, make sure they're edited and up to date. There's a CoPilot that goes with you that understands the context of where it came from and what it needs to do without you lifting a finger. It will get all the fields, fill them out, and set it up for you. Yeah, I'm gonna take a sip. This is totally hands off. It's filling it out for me. Now that I have the Zap set up, let's just run a test. See if this thing works. We'll go to the interface. That's where the form lives, and we'll fill it out. Click here to navigate to the form. Let's fill out an expense. This is an app subscription. Sent in the receipt. When we go into the table, we can see my form submission here. So let's watch to see it update. The amount pulled out from the receipt and the category. When we look at the receipt, we can see that is the exact amount. This system, built by Canvas with the help of AI, refined by you, and now is fully working to make expenses so much easier to track. So here's what I want you to do. Think about a process you have to do today and just type it out into Canvas and then automate it. Get it off your plate so you can focus on stuff that you really want to work on. Maybe you're in HR, you have an internal event coming up. Set it up so that when people fill out a form to register for that event, they get a personalized email using AI based on what they filled out in preparation for your event. Maybe you're receiving notifications in email about something. You need to take information from it and track it in a table, perfect for automation and for AI to help. Type out the system in Canvas. I get a new email, it looks like this, says these things. I need you to pull out this stuff using AI. I need you to add it to this table and let me know when you're done. It's as simple as that. So jump into Canvas, think about something you have to do today, type it out and have AI build it.